Good day, good day everyone. Today, I will be sharing my understanding of compassion, how it is expressed through caring for others and the environment. Compassion is the ability to notice when someone or something is suffering, to feel concern about the suffering, and to be moved to help ease it. In simple terms, it, it is just feeling with others, not just understanding their pain, but being willing to respond in a caring and helpful way. And another another communal discernment refers to process where people come together, listen to one another, reflect carefully, and make decisions that promote the common good instead of focusing only individual interests. Communal discernment encourage collaboration, respect, and shared by responsibility. In my understanding, communal in my understanding, communal is discernment is important because no single person has all the answer. When people work together and consider different perspective, they can make better decisions that benefit everyone. It allows communities to identify problems, understand the needs to others, and find situation based on wisdom, empathy, and cooperation. In the context of communal discernment can help create a more compassionate campus student, faculty members, ad- administrators, and staff all come from different backgrounds and experience through open communication and respectful dialogue. They can better understand one another concerns and work together to improve the university community. For if students are facing challenges related to mental health, academic pressure, or financial concerns, communal discernment encourage university leaders and students to discuss these issues openly. By listening to different perspectives, they can develop programs and solutions that address real needs and supports student well-being. Communal discernment also promotes inclusivity, and it reminds us that every voice matters and that everyone deserves to be heard. When people feels respected and included, they are they are they are more likely to contribute positively to their community. This creates in an environment where compassion becomes part of everyday life. Compassion is expressed in the care for others people. When people treat one another with kindness, patience, and respect, especially in difficult situations. For example, helping someone who is struggling financially and listening to a friend who is grieving or standing for someone who is being treated unfairly are all acts of compassion. Is it show up in care for the environment. When people recognize that nature can be suffering from pollution, def- def- deforestation, or climate change, and respond by protecting it, such as reducing waste, conserving water, planting trees, or supporting sustainable practice. In this way, compassion extends beyond human humans to the whole creation, recognizing that harming the environment ultimately harms people as well. Uh, moreover, moreover, communal discernment is the process where a group of people truthfully reflects, listens, and decide together what is right or best to do, instead of making decision alone on alone or based only on personal interests. People share their perspective, consider different experience, and try to understand what promotes the common good. It is rule in making it is rule its role in making world more compassionate and is important because compassion is not just an individual feeling. It also needs to build into how communities, institution, and societies make decisions. Through communal discernment, people can identify injustices, listen to marginalized voice, and choice action, and reduce harm and promote care for both people and the environment. For example, a community deciding together to how to manage local waste or respond to poverty can lead to fairer and more caring solution that decision made by few individuals alone. In this way, compassion becomes stronger and more effective when it is shared, discussed, and practiced together, helping build a what is world that is more just, caring, and responsible.